Hello, class. We all meet together after 1 week. Today, we continue to learn Unit 9. What's the fastest animal in the world? So, part 2 today is grammar. You also open your student book, page 65 and 66. First time, we will see Boo Boo. Okay. Now, hi, for a long time no see you. How are you? I'm still fine. Do you remember my beautiful country? Yes, it's Vietnam. Today I have a little exciting because finally I found my teacher question. Let's see. Phan Xipang is the highest mountain in Vietnam. The longest river in Vietnam is Dong Nai River. Sơn Dom Cave is the biggest cave in the world. And Landmark 81 is the highest building in Vietnam. Oh, you see, I'm so intelligent. It's time for you to meet your teacher. Goodbye, everyone. Okay, bye-bye, Boo-Boo. My students will miss you so much. Now, students, we return the lesson today. There are 3 things we will do today. Number 1, what's an adjective? Number 2, how to use an adjective in comparative sentences. Number 3, how to use an adjective in superlative sentences. Okay, let's move. What's an adjective? Adjective is tính từ. Adjectives describing words that tell us about color, for example, blue, black, yellow. About sound like roar, chick, chick. About feel like happy or sad. About amount like 1, 2, or 3. About behavior like good or bad. About size for tall or short. Okay, here teacher has a definition of adjective. An adjective is a part of speech which makes reading and writing more exciting. A part of speech tức là một phần của câu nói. And adjective and nouns work together. And to know how adjective and nouns work together, let's see. Teacher have adjectives is the long form and a, that is the short form. Nouns, long form, and n, letter n is short form. In this picture, teacher has a noun, that is school. And here are some adjectives that describe the word noun school. Example, big school, friendly school, pretty school, new school, safe school. A teacher has another noun, that's the mommy. And here also are some adjectives that describe the word mommy. Kind mommy, funny mommy, beautiful mommy, good mommy, and sweet mommy. Okay, Miss I knows that all my students have understand adjective already. So, Miss I will move to the second part today, comparative. What is comparative? Comparative đã gì? So sánh hơn. Comparatives are adjectives that compare only two things. And how to use an adjective in comparatives. When you use an adjective in comparative sentences, we must add "er" into adjective and the word "than." Remember "er" into adjective. And here are some examples. They are all adjectives when they change into comparative sentences. We will change like tall, taller, short, shorter, high, higher, fast, faster, small, smaller, deep, deeper. And teacher has some notice for you. For some strange adjectives that have three letters like big, hot, we must double the last letter before we add "er" into the adjective, like big, bigger, hot, hotter. And for some other adjective has the ending letter like e, white, nice. We just must put letter "r", no more e, in this adjective, like white, wider, nice, nicer. Teacher have a short activity, the short question for students. Teacher has the giraffe and the chicken. Look around them and answer my question. Which one is bigger? Bigger in here, that's the comparatives. For this question, we answer. The giraffe is bigger than the hen. In the question, in the answer, we have big, that's an adjective, or than for comparative. Okay. The final part today is superlative. Superlative is so sánh nhất. Superlatives are adjectives that compare one thing to many things. How to use an adjective in superlative. When you use an adjective in superlatives, you must add the before adjective and est into the adjective. For example, here teacher have some adjective, and when we change into superlative sentences, we must change like tall, tallest, short, shortest, high, highest, fast, fastest, small, smallest, deep, deepest. And teachers have some notice like big, biggest, hot, hottest, wide, widest, nice, nicest. And this is the question for you. Look at three things: the ball, the tree, and the house. Which one is the biggest? Biggest for superlatives. The answer is the house is the biggest. In this answer, we also have big, an adjective, and the is st for superlative. Now you have fun time to relax your mind before we go to some activities today. Let's listen.
Let's learn how to compare different sizes together. Ready? Let's go! Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest. Now let's see if you can find the right size. Which bear is the biggest? That's right. Which clock is the smallest? You're right. Which box is the biggest? That's right. Which rooster is the smallest? You're right. Great job.
Okay, end of the song. Now we move to the activity today. Activity 1. Write the adjectives with comparative or superlatives. Okay, the first picture and the question. Bao is the fast. Boy. In the empty place, we must change the adjective fast into the right comparative or superlative. Okay, you're right. Fastest. Bao is the fastest boy. And now the question 2. Duy is slow. Than Nam. And we see the word than. That's the comparative. And the answer is slower. Duy is slower than Nam. Okay, move to another sentence. Đồng Nai River is the long river in Vietnam. Which word you fill in the empty place? That's right, longest. Đồng Nai River is the longest river in Vietnam. Next, teacher have two pictures of two mountains, Fansipan Mountains and Tây Ninh Mountain. And the sentence is, Tây Ninh Mountain is short, than Fansipan Mountain. Your answer is good job. Shorter. Tây Ninh Mountain is shorter than Fansipan Mountain. Now, let's move. Oh, very big cave. Sơn Dome is the large cave in the world. The answer is largest. Well done. Sơn Dome is the largest cave in the world. And now, this is activity 2 for you. Okay, look at this picture and answer teacher question. Who is the tallest person? Tallest for superlative. You're right, teacher. Here your answer. The boy number 3 is the tallest person. Okay, next picture. Which one is higher than? Higher, that's a comparative. Yeah, you're right. The answer is The mountain is higher than the house. Next, look at the picture of 3 animals. The question, which animal is the fastest? Yeah, very good. The cheetah is the fastest animal. That's all for activity, but before I give you homework, we will listen the song together, and after the song, you will take out your notebooks and write the answer of 3 questions that you have already listened in the song. The 3 questions. Okay, now let's sing.
Listening 83. Listen and sing. My quiz.
What's the biggest country? Do you know? Do you know? What's the highest mountain? Do you know? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what the answer is? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. What's the biggest ocean? Do you know? Do you know? What's the smallest country? Do you know? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know what the answer is? Listen to my quiz. Listen to my quiz and tell me what the answer is.
Okay, that's all for the song. Now, quickly take out your notebook and write your answer, okay? And here are your homework today. You do workbook page 61, 62, and page 64. You just do number 2. Hope you enjoyed the lesson today, and Miss I believe that you will do all my homework today. Thanks for your watching. Bye bye.